The platform I will be showing you today is available worldwide. It will allow you to make $200 or more per single word you type. It may sound impossible, but I will show you that people are making crazy amounts of money in that way. And I will show you how you can replicate their success and earn even more money thanks to a tool I will show you later on. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can make hundreds of dollars per word you type, and that's all done through this website here called squadhelp.com. Now first things first, what is this site? It's a place where various people who have just started a business and don't have a name for it come in order to run a contest. Whoever wins the contest and whoever comes up with the business name that the owner of the business picked will literally earn hundreds of dollars. This is why this site is so fantastic for us to make money online, even without the tool which I will show you later on. If you're creative enough, you can come up with a nice business name and earn some money. But for the vast majority of you, that will not be the case. So please stay tuned and keep watching so you will know exactly what you need to do and you can find out what tool it is that will literally allow you to enter dozens of different names for businesses in like 20 minutes. Now with that said, let me show you just how much potential this has, since I did tell you that there's a lot of money to be made here. If you hover your mouse over contests here, and then over browse, and then select recent winners, this will show you the latest winners. Or in other words, the person thought of a good business name and got their name picked out by the business owner. Now check this out, while there are some people who have made around $100, you can also see people that have made hundreds of dollars per contest win. The amount of money that can be made here, as you can see, is just crazy. If you come back over to the home page and you hover your mouse over contest once again and select the active contest this time, you will see that the current contest that we have can earn you hundreds of dollars. And some people are offering to give as much as $1,000 to a winner. So as you can see, the winners I showed you previously weren't the only exception. Quite the contrary actually. But as you probably figured this out by yourselves, there is a lot of competition here. And that of course mitigates your chances of getting paid, albeit you will get paid quite nicely. It's still a problem, and this is why I want you to keep watching, because with the tool I will show you, you'll be able to submit names to all of these contests here very easily. And you can do that day after day after day, as there are new contests coming up all the time. Doing just that will ensure you that you will win at least one, if not more of these contests to earn hundreds of dollars, even though you don't have any skills. Before I reveal to you the tool in question, you need to create an account here. So what you want to do is click on sign up in the upper right corner right here. Then on the next page, you'll want to enter in your first and last name, then your display name, which is basically a username, then your email address and your password. Confirm the password, then you want to select join as a creative or marketplace seller, and finally click on create account right here. What happens from there is that they will ask you to update your profile by entering your street address, where you're from, and so on. And as you've seen in that intro, this platform is available worldwide, so this will most likely work for you no matter what country you're coming from. In any case, now that you have your account on this website, there's something that I need to show you. As you can see, you have to invest a tiny sum of money before you can start using it. And before you click off this video, I have an alternative to this platform that is 100% free, and that you can use if you don't want to invest any money at all. Now with that being said, if you happen to have some money in your pocket, then I would highly recommend you to invest into this site. It has the potential to make you hundreds of dollars, and this is just a one-time payment of $10. Imagine that. Which is simply put, is just a measly small amount of money. But as I said, if you don't want to invest anything, then just stay tuned and keep watching. Anyway, now it's time for me to finally show you the platform that will do all of the work for you that I've mentioned time and time again in this video. That platform is called businessnamegenerator.com. As the name suggests, this will automatically generate various businesses' names for you. And all you have to answer here is simply what the business is all about. So let's say that you have someone who wants a name for a furniture store. If you type that in, just check out how many different names that this site will come up with, and all you literally need to do is scroll down and pick a few of them that you think are good. Then you just have to come back over to this platform and enter those business names for the contest in question, and then move on to the next one. Simply rinse and repeat from there until you have applied for quite a few contests. And because of this, your chances of getting picked are as high as they possibly can be. And just a side note, I highly recommend you open up some of these so you can see what kind of names in particular the customer is looking for as well, and also a few minor details. For example, what the business is about, acceptable domain extension, the type of business, and here you can see what I mentioned previously, the names this customer likes, and the maximum number of words below, both of which are of course important bits of info that you want to use, so you could come up with a name that has the highest chance of getting you paid. Now with all of that said and done, as I said before, you do have to invest a tiny amount of money into this website before you can start submitting those names for those contests. Even though, as I said, it's just $10 and you have the potential to earn hundreds, if you either don't want to invest a dime into this or simply don't have the money, then I have an alternative site that I would highly recommend. The alternative site is called namingforce.com. This site, unlike the previous one, is 100% free, and the reason I didn't show you this one in the first place is because it doesn't have as many contests compared to the first website. But nevertheless, it's still a good choice if you don't want to invest any money at all. What you can also do with this site is to use it to make some money, then you can then reinvest into the previous platform if you wish so. So those are all the platforms I wanted to show you today. Now I would highly recommend using both of the sites I showed you and combine them with the aforementioned tools as you want to submit as many business names for as many contests as possible. You can submit names for numerous contests in a single day. For example, you just need less than 10% of the people to choose your name. In particular, in order to make hundreds of dollars easily without having any skills, no matter where you're coming from, as promised. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.